I'm Nithya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now we are discussing the topic stack and queue for data structures and algorithm. The familiar topic for your data structure and algorithm. First of all, what is an stack? Stack of books we have arranged in a way so lost in first out. Stack is then lost in first out. What is a stack? Stack is a data structure of order of items such that item can be inserted and removed only at one end. So first out process in the stack item. Then we have what do we do in the stack? So push, peek, pop. Push means replace. Push means place an item on the stack. Peek means look at item on the top of the stack. Pop means look at item on the top of the stack and remove it. So push in and place it in the item. Peek, you have to look in the item for top of the stack. Pop, look in the item, the top of the stack as remove it. Not remove it, peek in not remove it, pop is remove it. Then we have discussed for stack. Lost in first out data structure is the stack. Then stack is sometimes also called an push down store. Then what of the application stacks for program execution, parsing, evaluating, prefix for postfix expressions. So some applications of stack you have executing program, parsing and postfix expressions. Then problem of stack you have to happen. This is called a stack underflow. Pop method needs some way to telling us this is in Java we have executing the empty stack execution. This is the overflow of our and this process of our stack. Then we have the interface between stack. Stack is to have carry of the pop, push, peek in the operations. Then we have used in a stack balancing of the braces. How to can use the stack is balanced in the basis. Is the then balance of the braces is using. Then we have to when implement above the requirements, you have ignored the implementations in the stack. Then implementing a stack using an array and linked list. So used for stack you have used in array or implementation of linked list. Then linked list is the bad in here because linked list you have an item stored in the linked process top of the stack and head node of the stack. So push and adding of the front of our list and pop of removing the list. Then reserving a word. So reserving a word we have used in the stack letters. How do we ditch? So read it the letters and then we have to push in the stack. Then we have to pop in the letters in the printer. Then we have discussed for queue. This is for an example of queue. We have by executing some of the you have learned in the banking system. We have used in the queue. Then queue is then a data structure for an order item. This is an first in first out process. You have line at the supermarket. You have used in the first in first out process. Then why do we have the queue used in the process? We have what and the can is in the used in the queue. Then NQ and DQ are used in the process. NQ is an add an item. Then DQ have remove an item. Then queue is also called an first in first out data structure. So what are some applications of our queues? Round robin scheduling, input output passing and queue of the packets we have delivered in the networks. Then implementing queue we have used for arrays and linked list. Array is an implementation of queue. Significant headers they have used in your stack. Then implementation of a queue, we have NQ and DQ we have used. So implementing of a queue, we have NQ of the data, DQ of the data, NQ of the data here plus 1. When we reach an end of the array, wrap around the front again. So from visible we have an always content index in the first item in the process. Then implementing a queue we have absent to sketch of the insert. So insert absent and S for S. So many items we have implemented in the increment operator. Then we have used queue for implementing option 2. Decrementing for your option NQ is an decrementing for your operations. So using linked list, we have adding end of the list and front of the list. So this is for an process for stack and queue. So thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your class.